Good morning. Do not be deceived, it rained basically all of last night. I don't enjoy being in a tent in the rain, but I'm dry and cozy. I'm heading into Vigo now, and I might be going to Portugal today. I'm not sure, it really depends on what the weather is doing. I might stay in an albergue if it rains all day, and that albergue might be this side of the river in Tui or the other side of the river in Portugal, or I might just stay in Vigo if the rain is awful. Who knows? It's all down to the weather today. Good news, I heard back from MSR. They're going to send me a replacement pole to an address in Portugal, hopefully. Oh, I see blue sky. Yay, we found a rail trail. Now for some easy cycling. Hola, buen camino. Hola, hola, buen camino. Here we are coming into Vigo, and then I guess the border is about here. Hola, buen camino. There's no bike parking down here as far as I can tell, but museum lady is going to let me take my bags inside, so I'm just having a little second breakfast and then I'm going to go and check out another free Galician museum. This is the Museum of Modern Art, which is a bit less appealing to me, but my power bank is charging downstairs, so I'm going to give it half an hour at least. What are they all doing? Unfortunately, I don't know what any of this means, but I can just about make out what's inside. Another free museum, this time a natural history one of the local area, especially there's some islands just off the coast here. Nice.
A la mañana. Sí, 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 me llamo.
There's those islands that I didn't know existed until this morning. Vigo seems like a really nice place to spend a couple of days, but just like yesterday, I need to leave town, cycle 20 k's and find somewhere to camp. I will never get my head around supermarkets closing for lunch, but these guys open in 10 minutes, hopefully. So I'm just gonna hang out here. Okay, I'm ready. 400 meters up and then down again over about 20 kilometers. Air the tent, camp. Cannot be good for my brakes. Be nice to camp on a little river beach there, but with all the rain I don't trust the river level to rise. But there's a nice little hiding place over here. Enjoyed the Tempranillo Shiraz, so I'm going to straight Tempranillo today. Cheers. I got bored waiting for the tent to dry. It's getting dark, so I've just put a damp tent up. My shoes and feet got saturated on the way here, but I'm in my tent now. I've got my wine, my dinner's ready. Let's try this Tempranillo. Yeah, it's not my favorite. I did enjoy the Tempranillo Shiraz. I guess I need to work on my Tempranillo appreciation. And if you would please do me the favor of subscribing to my channel, I can stop banging on about subscribing to my channel. Thank you very much indeed to everyone that's already subscribed. Cheers to you all. Cheers.